Are you struggling to get traffic online, no matter how hard you try? You build pages, post links, watch videos, follow tutorials, yet Google traffic feels impossible. If that sounds familiar, stay with me, because today I am reviewing a powerful new system called Ghost Pages, and it might completely change the way you think about free traffic. Ghost Pages is designed for people who want real visitors from Google, without paid ads, without SEO headaches, and without building traditional websites. Yes, you heard that right. No hosting, no domain, no complicated setup, and no monthly fees. This is exactly why so many beginners and experienced marketers are paying attention to it right now. So what exactly is Ghost Pages? In simple terms, Ghost Pages teaches you how to create hidden, fast-ranking pages that Google already trusts. Instead of fighting with blogs, backlinks, or social media algorithms, you are shown how to place your content in locations where Google naturally gives priority. These pages act like silent traffic machines, sending visitors directly to your affiliate links, offers, videos, or websites. What makes Ghost Pages different is how simple and beginner-friendly the process is. You do not need technical skills. You do not need to write long articles, and you do not need to wait months to see results. The creators walk you through everything step by step, showing you exactly how to set up your first Ghost page in under 30 minutes. Imagine waking up and seeing clicks, leads, or sales coming in, without spending money on ads. That is the dream Ghost Pages is built around. One thing I really like about this system is that it works for any niche. Affiliate marketing, CPA offers, local services, e-commerce, YouTube videos, or even your own products. If you have a link you want traffic to, Ghost Pages can be used for it. Another big advantage is speed. Traditional SEO can take months before you see movement. Ghost Pages focuses on fast indexing and fast visibility, which means you can start testing and scaling much quicker. For people who hate waiting, this is a huge plus. Let us talk about who Ghost Pages is perfect for. If you are a beginner who feels overwhelmed by SEO and tech, Ghost Pages keeps things simple. If you are an affiliate marketer tired of paid ads eating your profits, this gives you a free traffic alternative. And if you are an experienced marketer, Ghost Pages can be used as an extra traffic stream alongside what you are already doing. The training is clear, direct, and action-based. There is no fluff. You are shown what to do, where to click, and how to optimize your pages for better results. Plus, the strategy is repeatable, so you can create multiple Ghost Pages and scale over time. And now let us talk about cost. Ghost Pages is priced very low compared to most traffic courses out there. This makes it accessible for almost anyone, especially beginners who do not want to risk a lot of money. And there is also a money-back guarantee, so you can test it without fear. Is Ghost Pages magic? No system is. You still need to take action. But if you follow the steps and apply the strategy properly, it can become a powerful traffic asset in your online business. In my honest opinion, Ghost Pages is one of the smartest low-cost traffic systems available right now. It focuses on simplicity, speed, and leverage, instead of complicated tactics that only experts understand. If you are tired of struggling for traffic, tired of wasting money on ads, and tired of feeling stuck, Ghost Pages is definitely worth checking out. Click the link below this video to see the full details, bonuses, and my honest review. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new tools and strategies to grow online. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.